Question. The maximum value of mass of block C so that neither A or nor B moves is given. A is 100 kg, B is 140 kg. Pulleys are smooth and friction coefficient between A and B and between B and surface is mu equal to 0.3. So what I will do is, first let us calculate the maximum friction that can be obtained between A and B and also the maximum friction between B and the ground. Maximum friction that can be obtained between A and B. Let me call this as F1, mu times of mass of A into G, 0.3. Mass of A is 100 into 10. So this is 300 Newton. 300 Newton is the force of friction between A and B. Now calculate maximum friction between B and ground. Let me call this as F2. F2 is mu times of the total mass MA plus MB into G. Mu we know is 0.3. Mass of A is 100. Mass of B is 140 into G is 10. So this will be 720 Newton. So now we know the friction between A and B is 300 Newton. B and ground is 720 Newton. Let us draw free body diagram for A, B, C and get the condition for equilibrium so that we can calculate maximum value of C so that neither A and B moves. So let us make first the free body diagram for A. The force due to the string here, let me call this as tension T1. So friction force will act here. This is friction F1. Similarly, let us make it for block B. The string tension in this direction, let me call T2. This is T1, this tension is T1, this tension is T1. Here it is 2T1. So tension here 2T1. Friction force which is acting between A and B on B will be in this direction F1. Since the body is tending to move in this direction between B and the ground, this friction is F2. Similarly, for block C, the force along the string, tension T2, here it is T2. This tension is T2. And another force in the downward direction, mass of C into G. Drawing free body diagram of A, B and C as shown in the limiting cases. Equilibrium of A gives T1 is equal to F1, that is equal to 300 Newton. Equation 1. Equilibrium of B gives T2 is equal to 2T1 plus F1 plus F2. 2 times of 300. F friction force F1 we know is 300. Friction force F2 we know it is 720. So 1620 Newton. Tension T2 also we got the value. Next coming to equilibrium of C gives T2 is equal to mass of C into G. So 1620 is equal to mass of C into 10. So mass of C will be equal to 162 kg. So what will be the correct option? 210 kg wrong, 190 kg wrong, 185 kg wrong, 162 kg is the right option. Option D. So what we have done in this problem is clear to you. First we calculated the limiting value of friction between A and B. We got it as 300 Newton. Between B and C, that is 720 Newton. Then we made free body diagram for A, B and C. For A we got F1 in this direction, T1 in this direction. So T1 is equal to F1 and F1 we know is 300 Newton. Now for the body B, T2 is equal to 2T1, F1 and F2 in the opposite direction. So 2T1 plus F1 plus F2 should be equal to T2. 1620 Newton we got. For block B, C2 at rest, T2 should be equal to mass of C into G. So 1620 is MC into 10. So MC will be 162 kg. Understood what we have done here?